Welcome to today's video tutorial guide. Are you new to graphic design or are you new to smartphone graphic design? Today's video tutorial guide for you, and I'll be showing you this simple app you can begin to use to enhance your design anytime you're doing designing on your smartphone. So without wasting your time, let's get right into this video. And the app we'll be using in enhancing your design when you are done creating on your smartphone is called Snapseed. This is it over here, Snapseed. So you can just go over to Play Store. It's a free app too, an offline app you can use on your smartphone. It's a very simple editing app. So today I'll be showing you everything that you can begin to use for your design. So if you are new to the channel, kindly subscribe to the channel and like this video, and make sure you share this video to your creative friends for also them, so they can also benefit from today's video. So now this is the interface of the app. This is the interface of the app. So anytime you install, let me say there's a mistake over here. So anytime you install your app and you have done the necessary thing, so when you launch the app, this is what you have. And when you have this over here, you can just click on this plus icon to bring in whether the design or the picture. You can also use this app to enhance image, maybe before using them for your design, but today I'll only be showing you how you can use it to enhance your design. So click this plus button over here and it will take you to your gallery to select maybe whatever design you want to work with, you want to enhance and make it beautiful. So let me just go over to, let me see my gallery where I see a design. Okay, let me go over to this design. This was a design I created recently also. So this is it over here. This is the raw design after I was done designing it with my smartphone. And if you want a tutorial on this video, now this file was also created, you can comment in the comment section and I will create this video tutorial guide, and I'll also leave the resources. So now back to this. Now this is what I have after designing. So when you have this over here, there are other custom editing stuff you can have over here. So if you click on this, there are custom editing stuff this app have, but sometimes you may not be comfortable with what they have over here. That's why I'll be showing you how you can use their tools to create something. So this was the portrait, and this is the smooth one. There are other series of this one, and mostly if I'm in a rush, I always use this accentuate because I kind of love the feeling it gives me. But if you have enough time, let me show you how you can access the tools to create amazing stuff with your smartphone. Let's wait for this accentuate to load, and I will show you the basic tools this app got over here. So this is the access suite. So this was the design I brought in, and look at the custom editing stuff this app gives me. Can you see that the design has pop up? It is even more attractive than the first one. So this is the basic custom thing you have on this app. You can easily select all this custom editing scene that is already in this, but if you want to do your own and to even make it more attractive, just cancel. And so to access the tools on this app, just go over to this tool, and the first tool I'll be introducing you to, and the basic tool is called this tool app. Is this tool image that I usually use if I have enough time. So just go over to one of these tools. It won't bring it automatic, but for you to see what you want to work with, you have to swipe up or down on your image. So if you swipe up, you have the tools over here. So the first one is brightness, so I'll just work on it and swipe to the right or left. I'll swipe to the right or left just for you to give it to my taste. So just swipe into the right or left till you are comfortable with it. So now swipe up again or down, swipe up, and you go back to contrast. So you have something like this. Also you swipe up or down to access the next tool, saturation. So this is how you continue to swipe up and down until you have something that you are happy with. So you shadow, just go ahead and do it to the minimal. So you have this over here now. So when you are done with the first tool, just click on this check mark icon over here, and you can also use this tool to access this thing that you have on here. Instead of swiping up and down, you can also use this stuff over here, and this one is just like a custom like the one that has been generated by the app itself. So but I don't usually use this one, I use my own slider. So when you're done with the first one, just click on this check icon icon over there, and you have this. Now to go over to the next, to just go over to these tools, and it will pop up. So use this detail also to sharpen your design or image. So to sharpen it, so we just use the structure, like it will bring out all these size, it will bring out all the background or all those stuff. That's what the structure does. So don't use it to the extreme whereby it will spoil your design, but just use it to the minimal way that it will be illustrative. So this is the structure over here, so I'm good with this and I'm okay. So sharpening to if you use this sharpening to the effect to some designs, it will burn some part of a design. That is why I advise you don't use the sharpening to the end, but if it does not affect your design, you can use it to the end, but it will just all these elements come out in your design. That's what the sharpening tools do. So when you are done, also you can just go over here also, so you can just go ahead and look at all these amazing tools. If it will work for your design, it will work for your design. If you want to add grain effect, you want to have a grainy want it to have this grainy effect on your design, so this is the grainy tools. You can select out of here, or you can select from here also your grain. Go over here and choose your grain. When you're on your grain, you can select out. Can you see what this grain does? Is adds these dots to your stuff like a sandy stuff. So you want to shape it, and see these are most of this stuff are being created on Snapseed. So Snapseed is just like, I would say, is a basic and simple go-to editing app for your designs and for your image. So you can see other several tools over here that you on your own you can easily access them, and what you can add them to even blur out certain parts of your design. Go over to that blur tool. You can select whether you want the shape one, the square one, or the circular one. If you want the circular one, you can easily use your two ends like this. Use your two ends like this. Use the two ends like this to blur out certain parts of a design. So you can just swipe up or down just over here and look for transition, and the way you want to transit, and blur strength, so it will blur out all those parts, and so on and so forth. So this is the more like a introduction to this for you also if you want to work with. So you can also select other shape on how you want it to blur and stuff like that. So go ahead in your own free time and go ahead and explore all these tools. You can also use their glamour glow here over here. So I'm not making this, I just want to show you all these tools in this design. That is why I'm just working things out. For example, and also if you did something and you already click the check mark and you want to redo it, this is the redo button at this top right of its corner. So when you click on it, it will bring a redo button, or if you want to revert everything you have done, click on this revert and it will take you back to the original design, you imported. To undo it, will click on this undo, and if you want to redo, okay, you can't redo. Okay, let me go over here. Let me go over to the last edit. I want to show you something also over here. If you want to view what you've done so far, just go over to this view edit, and you have access to the kind of tools you have used before. So if you click on this twin image, this was what if you want to, like, is it more like a repair, or you've done something before and you want to undo it, just go over here and redo it over here. So this is just a basic introduction on how all this thing is being done. So go over here now. Just when you're done, go over here. So after that, and there are other amazing tools like this retro. If you want to take it, you want to make it, give it a old look. So this is how these things are being done. So just go over again. There are noise tools. There are tools that you can just explore right on your own without waiting for other people. So just go ahead and you have something amazing. This Snapseed is a simple app tool I can recommend for you if you are still new to smartphone graphic design, and it is a simple tool that every smartphone graphic designer should have. So this is all I want to show you, and when you are done editing on this tool, if you want to export to your gallery, just go over to this export and you can choose any of this one, but I mostly use this save to my gallery, and so this one I don't usually use them. And if you want to export, take it to a folder. This is how everything is being done. Select the folder and you want to save it here to save, and this is how this Snapseed is being done. So this is the end of today's video tutorial guide. If you find this helpful and you love this video, make sure you like this video and subscribe to the channel, and make sure you share this friend and be part of the growth of other creative. Thank you for watching this video up to this moment. See you at the next video.